this is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, here to show you a recipe from Lydia's Favorite Recipes, available on the NC Digital Library with your Greensboro Library card. Today I'll be showing you the baked stuffed shells recipe. For your ingredients, you will need whole milk ricotta, mozzarella cheese, Italian parsley, an egg, jumbo pasta shell, salt, and pasta sauce of any kind. Before you're about to begin, you'll need to put your ricotta in a cheesecloth lined sieve to drain out the excess moisture. After you've tied off the twine, go ahead and set the entire bowl to the side to use for later. Then you'll take your mozzarella cheese, and once you divide it in half, you're going to turn half of it into sliced pieces and half of it into cube pieces. Then set them to the side. Then you're going to take your ricotta cheese that is drained, your cubed mozzarella pieces, your parmesan, your parsley, and your salt, and you're going to mix it all together. Then you're going to stir in a well-beaten egg to act as a binding agent for your filling mixture. It's at this point that you can go ahead and begin to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the shells in boiling salted water until al dente, which means about 7 minutes. Transfer your cooked shells to an ice water bowl to cool. After putting a little sauce in the bottom of your casserole dish, we're going to go ahead and start putting the cheese mixture, about 1 tablespoon, into the shells and then into the baking dish. Once you can't fit any more shells into the casserole dish, you're going to take the remaining sauce that you have and spoon it over the shells. Take your sliced mozzarella and layer it over top of the sauce and the shells. Bake for 25 minutes and cover if the mozzarella browns too quickly. When the time is up, please carefully remove from the oven with your oven mitts or some type of protection. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time on Cooking with the NC Digital Library. Have a great day!